here at Hocking Hills. So we just parked and we're gonna go to the information booth to get some information. We're now walking. Pupunta na kami sa Old Man's Cave or whatever. I don't know where we're going. Falls?
Upper Falls. Can you hear it? Listen to it. The birds.
The birds. Are we going in that hole?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so doon, hindi kami nakapunta doon. We didn't go inside.
Oh yeah, we didn't go inside. We were gonna get wet.
I don't want to get our shoes wet. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go in here to go to the Old Man's Cave. Okay, so we're now here at the Cedar Falls.
Okay guys, we just finished Cedar Falls. She's tired. She's tired. It's a long way. But we made it, didn't we?
Yes.
Barely?
Barely. Let's go.
Okay, see you soon.
A few inches later.
Ash Cave. What do you think of it?
Looks like a cave.
Looks like a cave?
So when you go in the cave, it is sandy.
Eventually.
Okay, so we're gonna try to ride the paddle boat. Ow!
You wanna do this one?
I don't care. Oh gosh, that is wet.
That one's worse. That one's sinking.
There's...
That one's wet too.
We're now riding the paddle boat. We're paddling the boat.
Paddling the boat.
Okay, we are going to close this vlog right here. We are about to go home. And yep, I'll see you guys next time.
See ya.
Alright, we are going to
What are you doing?